This is the One Button Choice of Voice watch. This watch is a talking watch that features an hourly chime as well as the ability to change the voice from male to female. When you get this watch, you will see that there is a 2 o'clock button protruding, as well as underneath that at the 3 o'clock position a stem that you will use to change the analog time of the face. There's also a recessed button at both the 8 o'clock and 4 o'clock positions that you will use to set the voice time. The first thing you will do when you get this watch is to take it out of sleep mode. In order to do this, you will simply pull the battery tab out from underneath the stem. You can then use the stem, move either forward or backward, to find the correct time on the analog face only. When you find your correct time, press the stem in and it will lock the hands in place. To begin setting the voice time, you will use the 2 o'clock position and hold it down until you hear it emit a beep. At that point, you will know that it is out of sleep mode and you can then begin setting it. You will need an implement such as a paperclip or a ballpoint pen in order to accomplish this. You will use the 8 o'clock position recessed button and hold it in to enter the mode setting. When you hear alarm sound setting, you will know that you have activated that mode. You will then scroll through until you hear time hour setting.
Alarm hour setting. Alarm minute setting 0. Time hour setting 4 o'clock a.m.
When you hear time hour setting, you can then use the recess button at the 4 o'clock position to scroll through the hours
5 o'clock a.m. 6 o'clock
and find the correct time.
a.m. 8 o'clock a.m. 9 o'clock a.m. 10 o'clock a.m.
When you find the correct hour, just wait for it to beep and that will confirm your hour choice. You will then use the 8 o'clock recess button once again to choose your minute for the voice time. Hold in that 8 o'clock button position
Alarm hour setting 12 o'clock alarm minute
and scroll through until you hear it say time minute setting.
hour setting time minute setting
When you hear
45.
time minute setting, you simply take the paper clip at the 4 o'clock position and scroll through till you hear the correct minute.
40, 40, 48, 40, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 58. 0, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
When you hear your minute choice, wait for it to beep and that will confirm your time. You would then use the same process to set the alarm, using that 8 o'clock button to get into the mode and waiting until you hear either alarm hour or alarm minute setting and using the recessed button at the 4 o'clock position in order to change those. To turn on the alarm, you would wait till the watch is out of mode setting button and quickly hit the 8 o'clock button to turn on or off the alarm, or the 4 o'clock button to turn on or off the hourly chime feature. When you hit, you can also change the voice on this watch. You would, same thing, go through the mode setting by using the 8 o'clock button, holding it in until you hear alarm sound setting.
Alarm sound setting.
And scroll through until you hear it say either male or female.
Alarm minute time minute 12 hour female.
If you would like to change it to the opposite, you would just use the recess button at the 4 o'clock position to choose the voice that you would like to hear the time spoken in.
Male.
Wait until it beeps and that will confirm that that's the voice that you will hear. Your watch is now set, and when you push the 2 o'clock button, you will hear the correct time in a male voice.
The time is 10:31 a.m.
Your watch is now set. If you have any further questions, please feel free to call us at 1-800-468-4789 or visit us at www.lssproducts.com.